But we appreciate your insight. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right.
Well, it has been 5 years since our beloved Mark Haynes called the market bottom, and boy, oh boy, was he right. In those 5 years, the S&P has more than doubled. The Nasdaq, get this, guys, up 241%. So now it is time to pay it forward. Joining us now, a pair of five-star fund managers with their picks for the next 5 years. Eric Marshall from the Hodges Fund and George Young from the Villary Balance Fund. And guys, don't think just because it's 5 years hence that you can get away with this. You are going to be accountable. We'll call you back in 5 years' time and see whether your picks were right. What about you, Eric, first of all? You've got 3 picks. Make your case.
Okay. Well, we like Crosstex Energy, which is really well positioned over the next few years to benefit from opportunities in the midstream pipeline infrastructure market. They just entered into a transaction with Devon that's going to give them the financial flexibility to take advantage of those growth opportunities over the next 5 years. Company generates nice cash flow, has a superb management team, and we see nice upside in it over the next several years. We also like Eagle Materials, which is a manufacturer of cement and gypsum wallboard. Both of these industries are in the early stages of a cyclical recovery. They're seeing nice pricing power for both cement and gypsum wallboard, which should help them leverage their fixed costs and see nice earnings improvement over the next few years. The stock's had a nice run this year, but we still see further upside in it. And then lastly, I'll mention Del Frisco's. This is a restaurant company that has a unique secular growth opportunity, which is being driven by the Del Frisco's grill concept, which is a new concept that should allow them to grow their store base at double digits, has very attractive cash-on-cash return metrics, and we see really a nice runway over the next 5 years for that concept.
Yeah, and the Del Frisco's in New York, pretty much packed wall to wall, 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. Sunday through Monday. I mean, it's ridiculous, or Monday through Sunday. George, let's move on. One of your picks is sort of an off-play maybe of what Eric was talking about, right? Forget about Eagle Materials because we need all the asphalt to replace the roads. Well, guess what? LKQ can help us repair the car because of all these crappy roads.
Exactly. Well, this is interesting. This is a real play on the auto business, the auto recycling business. Recognize that when you get in a car wreck, you don't have any interest in that car anymore. You want to move along and get another car. On the other hand, LKQ will buy that car. They'll recycle the parts that are in there so that they're able to go ahead and get another car refurbished with recycled parts. That seems kind of strange because you assume when you're getting a repaired car that you're getting original parts. If you look in your insurance contract, it says they have to replace with like, kind, and quality. So therein lies the rub with this company. They own tons of scrap yards around this country, and this is an area that a lot of people don't want to get their hands dirty with. We, on the other hand, do. This company is growing at 25% per year. We think they're going to earn $2.58 next year. So it's a cheap company by any measurement. It's also a green company, and that's very important for a lot of folks nowadays.
And George, I could open up my wallet today, and there's probably not more than $2 in it because I always use credit cards and debit cards, i.e., we are a cashless society increasingly. Euronet is a play on that.
Yes, exactly. What's interesting about that is not just here. Here we have a lot of credit cards, a lot of debit cards. Internationally, there's still a lot of room. Now, there are a lot of people out there that might say, Europe, that's a bad word nowadays. I don't want to invest in Europe. But what's important is that what we try to do is buy companies when they're cheap. So Euronet is a very important company. Again, they're in 150 countries. They've got 16,000 ATMs around the world. They've got over 1 million points of sale in their network. So they've got their hands in all sorts of money movement, migrant workers, gift cards. That's where society is going nowadays, away from cash. Again, fast-moving company, very interesting, attractive opportunities.
Well, we appreciate all the picks and the opportunities for the next 5 years. Eric and George, guys, thanks. Have a great weekend, all right?
Thank you.
Okay, coming up next, food costs are soaring. The price of about 80% of your grocery items are up double digits just year to date. Can you believe that? So how much higher are they going to go? And we'll find out the best food surge stock plays for your portfolio so you can hedge your grocery bill.
And we kind of talked about it. Pothole Nation. That's me driving to work today. You're going to see the video of the roads around here. It's like the Oregon Trail. We got Roy LaHood coming. We're back after this.
This is Joe Wood's first day of work, and his new boss told him 2 things: cook what you love and save your money. Joe doesn't know it yet, but he'll work his way up from busser to waiter to chef before opening a restaurant specializing in fish and game from the Great Northwest. He'll start investing early. He'll find some good people to help guide him, and he'll set money aside from his first day of work to his last, which isn't rocket science. It's just common sense. From TD Ameritrade.
Really? So our business can be on AT&T's network for $175 a month?
Yep, all 5 of you for $175.
Our clients need a lot of attention.
There's unlimited talk and text.
We're working deals all day.
You get 10 gigabytes of data to share.
What about expansion potential?
Add a line anytime for $15 a month.
Low dues, great terms.
Let's close.
New AT&T Mobile Share Value Plans. Our best value plans ever for business.
March 19th, new villains, new victims.
I could see a body laying in the back floorboard.
A new season of American Greed. Then, for the first time, a series takes you inside the multi-billion-dollar industry of sports betting.
I'm the guy that's going to make you more than you've ever made in the stock market in about 5 days.
Money Talks, an all-new season of American Greed at 9, followed by the series premiere of Money Talks at 10, March 19th on CNBC.
Still waiting to build your dream home? With Schumacher Homes, now you can, for the price of a used home, and move in as little as 4 months. Start from hundreds of award-winning Schumacher designs, including the all-new Earnhardt collection, or bring in your own ideas.
That fireplace makes the great room.
The island is going to be perfect for entertaining.
We got everything we want, and no going up and down stairs.
It's your dream home, and it's more affordable than you could imagine. Schumacher Homes provides award-winning quality at the best price. That's why we're America's largest custom home builder, now building in all these states. Call or go to CustomDreamHouse.com right now and see how building your dream home can be faster, easier,